In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use groups in Salesforce CRM. If you're looking to enhance your team's collaboration and streamline communication within Salesforce, then you've come to the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know in just 5 minutes. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have your credentials ready and enter them on the Salesforce login page. If you don't remember your password, go ahead and use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll find the app launcher icon there, which looks like a grid of small squares. Click on it and then type Salesforce Chatter into the search bar. Salesforce Chatter is a powerful tool designed to keep teams connected, and it's where you'll find groups. Go ahead and click on Salesforce Chatter when it appears in the search results. With Salesforce Chatter open, your next step is to look for the Groups tab. This is your gateway to creating a collaborative work environment for your team. Click on it. Inside the Groups section, you'll see a list of groups that you already belong to, as well as options to create or join new ones. Once you open a specific group, you can start posting updates. Whether you have news to share with your team or you want feedback on a project, this is an excellent way to keep everyone informed and engaged. Additionally, you can create polls to quickly gather opinions or ask questions to start discussions. It's a great way to interact and ensure everyone on your team is on the same page. Another fantastic feature of groups is the ability to upload and share files. If you have files that are relevant to the group, all you need to do is click on the option to upload and then choose the files from your computer. This keeps everything centralized, allowing group members easy access to important documents whenever they need them. Don't forget to make the most of the collaborative environment by inviting or adding members to your group. To do this, locate the option to invite or add people. You can type in their names or email addresses and they'll receive an invitation to join the group. It's a straightforward way to get the right people into the right conversations. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to use groups in Salesforce CRM to boost your team's productivity and streamline communication. By following these steps, you'll be able to make the most out of what Salesforce has to offer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other Salesforce tutorials to enhance your CRM skills.